So the other place you could use drawings is in a spreadsheet. Now, this could be done to communicate findings. So, for instance, here we have a science experiment, and the drawing could be put to the side of the results table to show the conclusion. And to maybe add an image like, this is about electromagnets, we can put in an electromagnet just to give the results context. Of course, the other thing that you can do is you can put a drawing in a collaborative document to do with student results and use it to have communication with colleagues, so any students that you're particularly worried about. So how do we go about entering one in? Well, we'll go to a space next door to our results table, and we'll insert a drawing. Now, before I insert the drawing, I just want to make sure that I know that as I increase the amount of coils here, as I increase the amount of coils, the nails that the electromagnet can pick up has increased. So let's now insert a drawing to do some explanation with that. So as you can see, the same drawing box appears as you're used to. I'm going to start by actually adding an image of an electromagnet. I'll try and spell that right. Here we go, so that we can set it in context what we're actually talking about. And this would be the type of electromagnet that students would use in the class. So double click to enter that. So now we've put an image in which explains what we're actually talking about. And we can now put a text box in. We can go here or there. So we can now add this in, say, as we increase the coils on the electromagnet, it can pick up more nails. Therefore, magnetic power, magnetism increases. Those physicists of you will probably criticise what I've said there. Now, what I can also do, if I want to, save that. Okay, and that just comes in here. So it just is added in like any kind of piece that we can put into here. But you can see how that now has made this spreadsheet used in science much more interesting, as it were, that we are able to put a little photograph of the experiment and the conclusion on the same page. And what I've quickly done now, just to increase this, I've made a chart which we can edit. We can just customize it, putting in chart title, which we'll put there we go. So we've now put in a chart title, and I've added in axis titles as well. And then I don't really want this right here. I'd rather have it in my drawing. So what I'm going to do, if I click on here, the 3 dots in the right hand corner, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to open up my drawing. And what I can do here is I can paste that in. I can link it also to the spreadsheet, so that if I change my data on the spreadsheet, my graph will change on the drawing as well. So let's paste that in, and we can move those things around as well. Everything on a drawing you can move, it's all free to move. You can resize things like this, okay, and you can see, just like on a slide or a presentation, what's really nice is that you can make sure that everything is sort of as you would like it to be in terms of size. Okay, once I've got it how I want it, I might just outline it a little bit. Maybe outline that one as well, so it makes it look nice on the page. I can now close that. And actually at this point, I can now remove that to one side. Sorry. And now my results table looks like this.